Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to add like kind of shortcut to your home screen. Usually if you want like to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or even your cellular data, you need to go ahead and activate in your control center. But now it gives you a shortcut on your home screen where you can for example I can turn off or turn on the flashlight directly on my home screen by clicking on the flashlight icon, and now you can see the flashlight is turned on. And if I want to turn it off, I can go ahead and click on the same button, and now you can see my flashlight is turned off. It is already awesome. And now let me show you how to add all of these buttons. So now let me example one more time is low power mode. When I click on it, and you can see low power mode is turned on, and when I click it on it one more time, and now low power mode is turned off. So this is the app called Quick. You can go ahead and download from the App Store. It is free for like 15 days. And now let me show you how to set it up. First, you need to go ahead and go into Quick, and after that you need to add the action. And now let me remove this one first. So let me remove this one. And now let's say I want to increase the brightness all the way up to 100%. So I can select on it and now click on done. And then after that you need to click on this one. You need to add a shortcut, so click on add shortcut here. You need to do one by one every time you add the new button, and now scroll all the way down and now click on add untrusted shortcut. And after that you need to go ahead and swipe all the way to the left and click on verify first. So now I'm gonna put my brightness down. And now for those of you that haven't added the widget to your home screen, just go ahead and hold on the icon, click on edit home screen, click on the plus button. You're gonna search for Quick, select on it, and now select the medium one. And if you prefer a larger one, select this, but I'm gonna go ahead and select on the medium one. And then whenever I click on the brightness button here, it will bring my brightness all the way up. So now let's see, now it is in the middle, but when I click on this button, you can see now my brightness is all the way up to 100%. So that's how it works, and thanks for watching. I hope you like this one, and then I will see you guys in the next one.